I'm sorry, you said
It's the same gentleman that was at the Borough Building.
You said I can't be knocking on
No,
doors?
you cannot.
So
What are you looking for? These people don't know you. You're scaring them. You're scaring the neighborhood, and that's why I was called.
I'm sorry to hear you make that claim.
It's not a claim. I'm telling you, you cannot do that.
You have a particular law or statute?
It's not a law, but you're disturbing others.
So
And
do you have
that's a disorderly conduct.
a disorderly conduct?
Correct.
So you're telling me you're going to cite me and or arrest
I
me?
didn't say I was going to cite you.
Okay.
I didn't say don't put words in my
Okay.
mouth. If you're recording me,
Okay.
don't put words in my mouth.
Okay.
I'm recording you as well.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to hear that. So, what happens if I'm being disorderly conduct, as you claim?
You'll be arrested.
Arrested. Okay. Oh, I'm glad to hear that.
You're not being arrested. You will be arrested.
Okay. So, surely you understand that you're responsible for reading and complying by federal laws. And I'm sure you read Watchtower Bible and Tract Society of New York versus Village of Stratton.
I don't know that.
Well, I'm sorry. Maybe you should go educate yourself.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license so I can ID who you are?
I will give you my driver's license.
Well, I appreciate that. And what are you saying to these people? Because you were at Congelco's. What were you saying in Congelco's? Because that's.
I think you would be.
That's a place of business.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And I think you would be familiar, for example, with Cohen versus California, which says you cannot discriminate based upon the content of my speech. So the content of the speech doesn't really matter.
Well, if you're upsetting somebody's business, yes. And if you're being disorderly inside that place of business, hindering their business, yes.
Well, I can assure you that wasn't happening.
That's what I got called here for. Okay? And I got called from another person that didn't know who you were, stated that you were looking for counsel. Is that true?
Again, I simply am under no requirement to answer.
Okay. Hold on. One by number out of Virginia.
Go ahead.
Bravo 636 232 62. Is this your current address?
Yes.
Okay. And you reside in Richmond, Virginia?
I think I'm done answering questions. You have a nice day.
Well, I'm going to tell you not to be pounding on doors and disturbing these people. If I get another complaint...
Okay, and my suggestion is to you that you read Watchtower Bible and Tract Society of New York versus Village of Stratton, and you comply to it. And if you wish to change that statute, you write your U.S. Senator and have him revoke the First Amendment.
I'm not going to read that. I'm telling you of the issue here.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Out of Richmond, Virginia, to a Michael Shangela. It is clean WW driver's license status is showing license.
You're saying he's valid, correct?
Hey, affirmative.
Tracy, where did you park your vehicle?
I'm under no duty to answer.
Okay, so do you understand basically why I'm here today with you?
Again, do you understand why I'm going to go down to the courthouse in Johnstown and go to the federal magistrate judge?
Johnstown has no bearing with this right now. I'm asking you.
You are violating my First Amendment rights.
I'm not violating anything. I'm just asking you.
Read Watchtower Bible and Tract Society versus Village of Stratton, New York.
Okay. All right, you go ahead. But like I said,
I think you've been clear. You've been clear to me as well as to the court.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.